Simple steps on how to do eyebrows at home. How to draw on fluffy, natural-looking eyebrows, a step-by-step guide. To help you master the look of filled and fluffy eyebrows, tips on how to the perfect-looking eyebrows. Ahead, we've rounded up all the key steps Nina gave us into one eyebrow tutorial that anyone can recreate at home. Some of us have brow hairs, and some of us don't, which is why this tutorial is so great for anyone who wants to have the look of full brows but might have not been born with them or overplucked them through the years. Nina recommends using an eyebrow pen that helps to create lines that mimic the look of natural brow hair. She recommends light strokes in an upward motion to the pattern of where your natural hair would grow quickly. Helps to create your brow shape. This step is key when wanting to have the look of filled and fluffy eyebrows, since you have control over each stroke and the precision of the tip makes it easy. If you're unsure about creating these hairs, you can start very light with the pen and then go back over your strokes again once you've gained some confidence. Practicing this every day will quickly turn you into an eyebrow master in no time. Not sure which color to choose? Look at the roots of your natural hair and choose a shade that is slightly lighter than that for your brows. Since hair comes in all different shades, you want to get as close to the color as you can, but don't feel pressure to match it exactly. Mimicking the color of your natural hair to the best of your ability will help your brows not look too obvious. If you have darker hair tones, you can go slightly lighter with brows, and the same applies too if you have very light hair. You can experiment with 1 to 2 shades darker that complements your hair correctly. You will know what works and what doesn't, and it might take a few tries to get the right color. Once you feel you've found the best match, your confidence will soar in replicating this tutorial. For the finishing touch and to enhance the shape of your brows, Nina touts that applying a touch of concealer around the brows with a smaller detailed makeup brush will make a noticeable difference. The precision of the brush will allow you to really work with the shape of the brows, ensuring they stay the way you want them to. Lightly tap the brush into your favorite concealer and apply it all around the brows, not forgetting the top portion and underneath the brow bone. The great thing about this tip is that it works 2 ways. You can conceal any mistake you've made, or something specific you need to cover, and it also highlights your brows to make them stand out more and gives the illusion that they are more lifted. Thank you for watching my video. Don't forget to click the subscribe button to watch the latest videos.